Good morning, guys. Of course, today we're gonna take you on an adventure, but we're also gonna give you a little update. Yeah, so we arrived in New Zealand 6 months ago, and from the start we have only been working. So, as you know, we started in Tiquiti with milking cows. After that, we went to the far north to work on an orchard. We picked avocados, we cut down trees with a chainsaw. We are building a different orchard. And so now all the work is done. The plan is not to work for at least 4 or 5 months. And that marks the longest period of traveling that we have ever done. These are the last avocados we took from the orchard, like a last memory. Art, what are we going to do this weekend?
We're gonna get the car ready. We're gonna head to Kari for a fishing adventure.
Pasta for tonight, pasta sauce for tonight, couple beers for tonight,
Coffee for tomorrow morning.
bread for breakfast, and fresh eggs also for next morning for breakfast. Prepping the kitchen.
Prepping the bed. Every time we go camping, we have to get the bed sheets and the pillows.
Big hassle. Hey, should put that up in the kitchen.
What do you think, Martin?
That's good van, man. That's good customers.
It's the pajamas. The pans to make dinner for the kitchen.
Prepping the cooking gear. Oh. The van is ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
One small thing, and that is water. There are some things you can forget if you go camping, but water is the #1 essential. Yeah, we always bring 20 liters just in case. So we are on the road. We're gonna meet Chris this afternoon. This is actually the last weekend that we were at the holiday park that we were staying for 12 weeks. This is also the last time we packed our van for an adventure like this. And also the last adventure in the far north of New Zealand. Big times ahead, big moment. Big moment. So 4 months without working. It's a big moment.
So we bought a little gift for Chris. So he's turning 30 years today.
So I'm just soaking in that big moment. So we only have an overall general plan of traveling, a plan of attack. But nothing is set in stone. Everything can happen on the road.
Freedom.
We feel so free as a bird in the sky and a shark in the water. And the bakery is always nice, but it never fills up the 2 road rebels.
Still hungry.
Hey, Chris!
Yeah.
Were you waiting for us? How's life?
Good. You?
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
We have a big gift for you. Big gift.
A big gift.
Yes.
Really?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
30
I
old.
made it this far, right?
There you go. Enjoy.
Cake. It is cake.
It is cake.
Yes. Yes.
You deserve it.
I'm going to enjoy that on the beach.
Yeah.
I think I haven't seen a blue sky like this for at least a couple of weeks. We are heading down to the beach for the last fishing adventure. Cast away! Woo! Should be good.
By the time we walk back to the car and a lot of filming, the plan is to go to the next campsite.
So there's no fish around here. Gonna pack our stuff and tomorrow morning gonna try the new spot. Where Chris said there was gonna be a lot of fish. Just like he said with this spot. So where are we going, Art?
Going to the campsite.
Where are you going, Chris? So we're following Chris. So that's what you call off the grid. Or not good?
Yeah, that's pretty off the grid.
So we're gonna camp here or not? Yeah, right? Yeah, here's perfect. What a place. Just climbed this hill for an amazing sunrise. Hard. What did you think of the sunrise?
You never know when it's gonna happen, and when it happens you're like, wow. Wow. Amazing views.
So now we are going back to the car. Gonna make our way down. That's Mount Camel.
So that's where we camped last night. That spot.
Sick spot. And behind that, behind there, we are gonna fish with Chris. But first, coffee.
Yo!
What a beautiful morning coffee spot.
This is the way to wake up. Peanut butter jelly, coffee, a chair. Thank you, Chris. Because we've been camping a lot of times without chairs. Perfect. Perfect.
Vamos. Did you already catch something? No? That's Chris. This is the most epic fish spot we've ever been to.
Long enough. Nothing's happened.
No fish at all.
Kingfish, he came swimming through there. Quite a big one, like this. Yeah.
Arvin, you're gonna try your luck? Good luck, Arvin.
You probably need to get down quite. Chris went away for his breakfast. Now to watch the rod. It goes bananas. And Arvin over there. How's it going, Arvin? Chris spotted a kingfish. Look at him go. He's got motivation again. He was nearly falling asleep.
Nice. Guys, this is the end of this weekend's adventure. Like we said, the last one in the far north. We are gonna travel for 4 or 5 months full time. We're gonna bring you along. So basically just started. There are going to be even more epic all the ones that we already did.
It's gonna be good. Ah.
So for now we say, see you guys next time with a brand new adventure. So we fished all morning, got one big snapper. Now it's time to get out of here. Chris, Art's already on the top, waiting with the snapper.